my Kenyan channel. And today maglalaro tayo ng shawarma. Horror game lang to. Pero takot ako sa horror game. Pero maglalaro pala tayo. Maglalaro tayo ng shawarma. Chaos Anomaly. Ay, ay, only, okay, full shift, okay, dito, leave mo na ako, yun, ewan ko dyan, dito, okay, ito. So guys, wala nag-join sa akin. Dito tayo, dito. Ito, yan. Okay, intro na. So guys, we're here. Kaya ang tagal. Hoy, ang tagal mo naman. Wait lang. Tingnan mo, babatukan kita. Gawin kitang itlog. Tara na. Kuha kang pagong. Pwede ka naman mag-sprint. Okay. Come.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customers
I
just...
know.
Great. Now open the window.
I know.
Before serving, be sure to read the safety
I
rules.
know.
They're super...
I know. Skip.
And while you wait, you can watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve,
Okay.
and everything will be just
Skip
perfect.
tutorial.
They're already on their way.
Kuro, sino yun? Look. Bisa mo, sarado natin. Ay, nag-leave. So guys, hintayin ko na lang kayo. Few moments later, guys. Alam niyo guys, nawawala si Steve. Alam niyo yon? Yung kasama ko sa Don. Ba't lahat kalbo? Ako lang hindi. Ano yun?
Shawarma
Oy!
Kiosk.
Huwag niyo ako saraduhin. Alam niyo, takot ako eh.
Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma. Great. Now
Ay,
open the
buksan
window.
natin to.
Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are.
Ayan yun.
Music keeps the mood up. Friendly
Okay
reminder,
guys.
don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their
Pennywise. Okay. Add ko si Pennywise. Pero kalbo. Ano si Pennywise? Ba't mo sinarado? Kay Guys, suspicious ah. Suspicious ah. Guys, suspicious. Bakit kaya?
Watch your walk
Okay.
and don't make it.
Bakit?
You already know.
Tingnan natin sa CCTV, guys.
So that will be 150. Walk all this way for nothing. They shut the window right in my face. No respect for elders anymore.
Tingnan nyo, guys. Tama ba siya? Ay, mali! Mali siya! Ginawa mo naman. Ito, parang mushroom to. Ginawa mo naman. Guys, matatalo tayo dyan, oh. Huwag ka nga magulo. Tingnan natin sa CCTV. Ano natin yan? Puro natataw dun, guys. Lag. Guys, comment down below kung concerned yung ano ko. Yung screen. Start picnic. Tagal naman na ito. Ano to, washing machine? Gas station. Okay, roll. Pero masama itong kasama natin, guys.
Anything our vending machine.
Huwag mo saraduhin. Huwag mo saraduhin pag may anomaly na. Uy, naman. Pag may anomaly lang. Pag may anomaly lang. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, guys, ha. I will be right back. May nangungulo, eh. So, guys. We're here.
Once you warm up, please, and make it.
CCTV first. CCTV first.
I'm already ready.
Fish.
Long shiver.
Laki
Your
yun.
boss kept me awake.
Laki yun. Wait lang. Wait lang, guys, ha. May nangungulo, eh. May nangungulo, eh, guys, eh. No? There you go. You forgot something. Ay, oo. Forgot ko pala.
Good.
Ayan. Parang tumas to, ah. Anong ginagawa mo, guys? May gagawin sana. Don't try. Huwag niyo ito gayahin, ah. Serve normal customers. Closing the window on them is a mistake. Don't serve anomalies. Customer serving them is a mistake. Ayan, yan. Tingnan natin. Ay, gara, guys. Sarado natin yan.
Measure on one side. That's 150. Wait as long as that.
Ano ba yan, guys? May anomaly. Bra. Okay, buksan na natin. Tinyo kami malaloko. So, guys. Pero wala tong tulong, ah. Ay, nag-leave pa nga, guys.
I know what's good. Got it. 300.
Okay guys, kailangan natin maging matapang. Kailangan natin maging matapang. Ay putik, paano to? Close, ayun. Okay guys. So, uy, baka din tayo. Mamaya na. Apple pa ako. Sorry guys. Oh, the shawarma. Ikaw. Yeah. Another one. Okay guys. So, holding nga to. Pero nga lang. Kung di mo pa napapanood ang isa kong account. Yan. Like, subscribe na kayo. Ilan naman guys? Bakit naman guys? Nagulit ako dun. Hintay mo na. Nagdadat ako. Huli mo ako. Ayan mo ako ha. Wait lang guys. May nagugulo dito. May nagugulo dito ah. So guys. Takot ako guys. Takot. Natakot. Ako. Kukumako, Pia sa bida. Kara. One siguro.
That will be 170.
Kara guys, anomaly yan. Anomaly yan. Layo tayo. Layo. Not serving me. I have skin now. Something is still wrong. To return. Return again. Nandiyan pa rin siya. Ay, wala na guys. So, tuloy na natin itong job natin. Job. Okay guys, kailangan natin matapang tayo. Matapang tayo ah. Comment down below kung hindi kayo bakla. Coffee.
That will be 175. Perfect. Life is good.
Wait lang, CCTV first. Okay guys, so tomato. Dapat yan, katrabaho natin yun. Ito guys, fast forward. Coffee daw, coffee. Make a coffee. So, nasaan? Take. Okay. Bye-bye. Sana katrabaho kita. Sana katrabaho kita. Sana katrabaho kita. Sana katrabaho kita. Oh, wait guys. Takot ako na takot. Takot. Okay. So guys, ganito yung run natin. May stamina. Ayoko yung mayroong stamina yun eh. Ganun. Ay, nagulat ako. Hindi ko na yung dumami. Yun, ba't? Padaglis yun. Tingnan natin sa TV. No guys, don't serve it. Don't serve it. Dito tayo. Tago tayo. Takot ako eh. Takot ako eh. Ano na hindi ko umalis? Hindi ko siya umalis guys.
Good evening, Keeper. The night tech carries straight. Too short.
Wag yan, wag yan, yan, yan,
What
yan.
food helps the body
Yeah.
keep in shape? That will be 325. Interesting you refuse to serve me. That is why some things should not be fed.
Okay. Sana wala na siya. Gara guys, ayan na. Kakatakonan na. Okay. Okay. Check first. Vision. Night vision. Okay.
Already ate, but I think half cooked up today. That's 150.
Okay, guys. So, walang cut. Walang cut. Ito. So, hintayin ko na lang kayo. Okay, ma'am. You get it. Kala guys, sarado natin yan. Ikara guys, sarado natin yan. Sarado, ayoko na guys. Guys, sobrang takot ako guys. Hindi ba oo hindi? Mag-isip ako. Guys. Yan. That's it for this video guys. Takot na ako. Bye-bye.